How Bitcoin uses hash function to create unique hash value for each block on the blockchain. If you're as curious as I was before I embarked on this research, then you need to stick to the end of this video to get the full gist. Hi guys, if you are new to my channel, I would like you to click on the notification and the subscribe button to get notified whenever I post new videos on this channel. Also, I would like you to click on the like button and comment below if you would like to be a blockchain developer for free, because I'm going to be giving an announcement on that at the end of this video. So shout out to Chidima Grace for watching my previous video till the end. So guys, if you watch this video to the end, I would like you to comment below what the announcement I gave was. Then I'm going to be giving you a shout out on my next video. Now you have some background on the goals and motivation of the blockchain in my previous video. Let's walk through how this is translated into the actual component that is being built to make this system work. These components are ones represented here in the blockchain framework. I won't be covering them in the exact order listed here in the image. That order has more to do with how the system works together, which we'll cover in more details once we have defined all the pieces. Instead, we will start with what we think are the most fundamental pieces. With that said, we'll be starting this video with the topic of hashing. In this video, we will discuss hashing and the details of a specific hash function, SHA-256. A hash is a digital fingerprint for information. It's a unique string of letters and numbers that represent a set of data. To get a hash value, you start with a bit of data and pass it through a hashing function. The hashing function maps a group of that data to a unique hash value. It will take in the information you give it and create a completely unique hash value. This hash value now acts as a unique identifier for the original data. This allows you to identify a given set of data much more easily by referencing its hash value. SHA-256 is a specific hash function. SHA stands for Secure Hashing Algorithm, and 256 represents the output of the algorithm. In this case, it tells you that the number you'll be getting back as a hash value is a 256-bit number. There are many different hash functions, but the Bitcoin uses SHA-256 to create a unique hash value for each block on the blockchain. The reason for this is to create a unique identifier for every block that exists on the blockchain. Some cool things like referencing a block by its hash value. It even creates the foundation from which we can join blocks together into a chain. To understand how this builds the chain, we will need to understand the blocks and the blockchain a little better. We will learn more about these topics in our next video, but first, we will walk through a demonstration showing SHA-256 in action. We will demonstrate this using the website andas.com. This website provides an excellent demonstration to show how SHA value works. I'll put the link to this website below this video if you would like to follow along. When you get to this site, navigate to the hash section from the top and you should end up with a screen that looks similar to this. To start, you will notice I have a place to input data and a corresponding hash value, which this site does. What this site does is generate a unique hash using SHA-256 from whatever data you type in. Try typing something and notice how the hash value changes every time the data changes. If I type in blockchain developer, I get a hash value. This hash is the unique value for this string of text. If I remove some text like the word developer, the hash becomes something completely different. It's something unique to the new word I wrote. If anyone in the world input the exact same string, they would also get the exact same hash output. But if the data is similar but not exactly the same, it will be a completely different hash value. Similar data doesn't necessarily mean that the hash value will be similar. Changing the data slightly can result to a completely different and unrelated hash value. The only purpose of the hash is to make sure it's a unique value. It's not something to reference if you are interested in understanding how data is related. That's the basic purpose of the SHA-256 hash. It's used to produce a digital identity for any given value of data. So remember these basic ideas as we go into block and blockchain and more detailed concepts in our next videos. Also, if you're interested in learning more about hashing, I'll be linking some resource down below this video. Feel free to play around with these tools to help you get better idea on how the hash works. Yay! Big congratulations, you stayed to the end of this video and I know you've learned a lot. So the announcement I said I'm going to be giving at the end of this video is that the Chi Chain Network is going to be having a 3-month bootcamp free for total beginners, and this bootcamp is going to be starting August. I'm going to put the link to our Discord group below this video. So if you're interested, click on the link and join this channel. Feel free, introduce yourself and make friends. Then at the end, then August, we are going to be starting this bootcamp. You don't want to miss it. This bootcamp will make you to become a blockchain developer because it's going to be teaching you the fundamentals of blockchain and so on. So thank you. I look forward to seeing you.